Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anushka from the eVisible Supply Chain magazine, and welcome to the 28th convocation ceremony of the Graduate Diploma in Purchasing and Supply Chain Management, which is done by ISMM, the Institute of Supply Chain Materials Management. This evening, we will be met by a few senior members of the ISMM committee, as well as a few students who have completed the degree, and we will ask them on what their future ambitions are on completion of this degree. So join us as we take a look around. And now we are joined with the President of ISMM, Mr. I.G. Pereira. Good evening, Mr. I.G., and thank you for coming here.
Good evening. Thank you.
The first question, Mr. I.G., would be, could you give us a brief explanation or a brief introduction about the Institute of Supply and Materials Management?
Yeah, Institute of Supply and Materials Management had been established way back in 1972. At that time, very prominent people, the director, supplies in the government sector, and few others got together and formed this institute. So, at that time, actually, in Sri Lanka, we never had this as a profession. So, they were the pioneers, including the Mr. Jerry Hidelarachi, who is the living founder member at the moment. So they got together and established this institution to look after and enhance the profession in Sri Lanka. So in addition to our own courses, we are offering an international diploma in supply chain management coming from ITC Geneva. So that is a well-developed course to match with international professionals, those who are engaged with supply chain management profession. So that is one of the recognized course, a diploma offered by ITC through ISMM Sri Lanka. And also in addition to this, we have another stream, corporate training. So we undertake various different levels of corporate training in the fields of supply chain management. At the same time, we undertake consultations as well.
And now we are joined by the Wing Commander, Mr. Malinda Vijayanayaka, who is also the course director of the GDP SCM diploma. Good evening, Mr. Malinda.
Good evening to you.
The first question that I have to you is, could you give us an introduction to the GDP SCM diploma?
Yeah, GDP SCM is defining on the graduate diploma in purchasing and supply chain management. So this is the 28th convocation we are having here. So on this, we are graduating 50 students. Liberating the course of the GDPSM, it's comprising 15 modules. So it's covering almost everything in the supply chain management. This is very good opportunity. The people who are missing this higher education stream after their A levels. So some people who are joining directly to the certain companies in the government sector where they don't have any opportunity to study. This is very good opportunity. With this their experience, they can handle this course very well.
And now we are joined with one of the graduates of the 2016-2019 batch, Mr. Anuradha. Good evening, Mr. Anuradha, and thank you for being here.
Yeah, good evening to you. So my name is Anuradha. I'm from Molecular Logistic Operations. So basically, I'm looking after third-party operation at John Gas Logistics.
Okay.
So currently, I have more than about 16 years of logistic experience, all around from marketing to distribution in customer delivery, so on and so forth.
Okay. What have you gained from this program that you think will help in excelling your career in supply chain management?
So basically, answer to that question. So basically, I'm looking at three pillars. So number one would be the ISM Institute itself, and the second one would be the number of modules what we are going through over the three and a half years, and the third one, of course, my dear colleagues, because they all are from multitude. They're all different areas of operations, different areas of activities. So that's one of the experience we can gain from this program. And when it comes to institute, because our institute is one of the premium institute which is inaugurated from the Parliament Act back in 1972. So basically, we are the 20th batch currently graduating today.
Congratulations on getting your first class honors.
Thank you very much.